Yeah, we got a 2011 Mitsubishi Galant, and we're going to take out this radio and put it in the aftermarket. First thing I want to do is come over here and get my little panel removal tool, and we want to pop those clips, get all that stuff out of there. And then now I want to go ahead and get those 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips out. And shoot, I have that radio. All right, now that I've taken those out, boom, straight like that. Pull all this stuff out, get all the harnesses. All right, next thing we want to do is go ahead and remove this bar because we are using a double din radio. Just gonna go ahead and cut that out, and then on the back side, I like to come in here and just cut those little clip pieces, and that's what's going to allow this to sit on that part. So we have this on the right, we got this one right here that's going to go on the left, and then that's how we're going to mount our radio inside the dash kit. So you see that this is open right here for the AC. So what we want to do is on the factory dash panel, we want to take out these 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and we want to come over here and take this AC unit out of this one and put it into this one, and take those same 4 Phillips and put it in this hole. Alright, so as you guys can see, I took out the 4 Phillips on that one. Just basically swap the module right over here, the AC module, so it looks like that. I'm gonna wipe off some of that dust and stuff off my dirty little table, but now we have the AC over here, and now we need to take these little white clips off of this and put them onto the other panel. Hold on, take these holes off. Alright, take that off like that. Like that. Do those for all 4, and then now we're gonna get our radio mounted up. All right, y'all, so that's it. Told you I ran my e-brake up, went on ahead and did that. Zip tied my Bluetooth microphone to where the only thing that's out is the microphone and the harness, and I got my USB right here, no need for antenna adapter. Now I'm about just to wire this stuff up, wire the AC back in, let you see what it looks like. All right, guys, that's it. Got it hooked up. Looking all nice and neat. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much it, man. Hope you guys found some kind of value inside this video. If you did, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, man, this is JP signing out.